Today's world is more civilized. This modern civilization is bringing more diseases in this world because this modern civilization is itself is disease. This modern civilization is deforestation, and the danger of deforestation is more for next generation. We are looking the dumping of waste and different toxic garbage inside the water bodies and oceans. We are looking the filling the water bodies and erecting skyscraper buildings or construction. Unfortunately, in the name of nature, we are planting different types of trees, flora or fauna or on rooftop. And what's the result is that planting the mosquito. Such mosquitoes are sending us to hospital. So ultimately we are losing the ecosystem, destroying the natural ecological balance. Today we are more civilized. We are confining our houses, our offices in the name of civilization, in the name of civilized people. And we are making more drugs inside the house. And how we are illuminating, consuming more electricity. And this electricity is generated consuming excessive fossil fuels. So what is the result is that is the our world is warming regularly, and the ice level is melting, and the sea level is rising regularly. So such electricity consumption over and over and increasing day by day is not bringing anything good for us. Rather than the darkening the rooms and offices is destroying our sight power. Our vision is affecting more. Why we are not taking or we why are not we letting the electricity is reducing level, and why are not we letting the natural winds and the ray of sun inside the houses? That means now we are more disconnected from nature, and from such disconnection from the nature is not bringing anything good for us. Think about what we are looking inside and outside of the world. That is the rapid urbanization. We are losing the quiet and more scenic and beautiful villages. And rapid urbanization also created and advanced by road communication, and advancement of modern road communication giving different types of vehicles, and we are filling with pollution, that means sound pollution. And today we cannot get the silent place rather than polluted place with sound that is deafening ourselves, that is destroying our hearing power. And we are destroying ourselves in the name of modern civilization. Think about the natural behavior or civilized behavior. We are destroying this in the name of civilization. How? Think about the empathy, sympathy, and human treatment is destroying. In the civilized world is provoking a line that is survival of the fittest. What does it mean? Is unfittest people will be driven out from the world? What does it mean that is there have no right to live the unfittest people in the world? ultimately we are giving a cruel world, and this cruel world is have no sympathy, no empathy, no sympathetic treatment, rather than performance-based treatment that is not letting the human being to be living in the world as a human being. And this cruel world is no longer be beneficial. And what we're looking in the world, that suicidal activities increased even in the developed, advanced developed world. Today, what we are looking at, the war centering, capturing natural resources, mineral resources, what type of wars will be in the next world, that is the war centering water bodies. We live in the world centering the waters. In the scarcity of waters, we cannot live in the world more longer. So we are destroying the water bodies, dumping the toxic materials, toxic garbage inside the water bodies and polluting water bodies. And the next world, there will be the scarcity of waters, and next world that will be centering on or for getting the waters more and more. So be careful about this, that if we are continuing this, that is the bleak picture for our future. Think about the present world environment, and environment is polluting every day, and environment is degrading every day, environment is destroying every day, the ecosystem is losing the balance. So do not let the world to be distracted, rather than stop now. Without stopping now, there is waiting a dangerous consequences for us. So be careful and please stop now, otherwise we'll be stopped forever.